Kia ora e hoa. Kei te matapai au ke te hanga poi tāua. I think that these are poi and te rākau. Is that what we're on to today?
Poi and te rākau.
Mōhio ke au ki a koe. I know you. This is going to be fast. It's going to be easy. It's going to be economical. Kei te tika tāku?
Ai, tikana. I have all of the above. So the things we're going to need for our poi are high density foam, wool, sellotape, white plastic bags, needle and thread, scissors.
And to help us, we need some tin cans and also some plastic containers.
So what we need to do is create the poi ball, and so we need to cut out a ball from this square. So what you want to do first is to cut out the straight lines, all of the straight lines.
Anō he piriki Minecraft that looks like a Minecraft.
Now we need to turn that Minecraft into a ball. So what I do is I start on the corners and start to edge into the middle, and just keep turning the ball round and round.
Pehe o whakaro ki tēnei, what do you think of that?
I think it's awesome.
I think it is too.
Ka pai tēnā. We'll just put them to the side now, and let's start on the cord. The trick here is that we don't want to wrap the wool around the tin can too tight. So because we've done now, it's really loosely, it should be able to just fall off. Right, we'll just put our pom-poms to the side, grab our wool again. Your poi cord must go from the inside palm of your hand and then to the inside of your elbow. So I think we need 8 strands per section.
So we have 8 strings for the 4 sections of the plate.
You know how there was a hole where the tin was? We just pass it through, pass the pom-pom through, and let it slide to the middle. Ki wainganui ngā taura, wrap some wool around. So yes, if you just tie that just at the top of where my fingers are, Stace, in a knot, as close as you can to your hand.
Oh, okay, so I'm choosing my...
Yeah, choosing your length and cutting off. There you go, there's your pom-pom. I'm not the best braider, but I know some tricks to get over this.
You cross, I'm straight. You cross and I go straight.
So now we're getting to the end, Stacey. I think that's enough too, so that we've got enough to tie off. The knot has another role to play, and it's when we join it to the poi ball.
Oh.
Get our ball. All we do is we make a little hole, one side. We want the knot to go through that hole.
Jam it in there.
Jam.
He manu kia noho tika ne, so it's important that's sitting right.
It's sitting
Just
right.
Hold it.
Exactly, and that's what that knot's for.
Ooh,
So it doesn't fly off. For extra safety, we sew this together. So we sew the foam and the cord together so that it doesn't fall out.
Okay.
So our last step, grab our poi balls and go over the top with our bag. This is where we need a little bit of our wool, and we just go around, keeping our hands there really, really tight and nice and clean around the edges. The wool and the sellotape is just for double security.
Once you've got that sussed, it's not a hard process.
It's not at all.
You do your double. You do your doubles.
Do the double whammy a little bit.
We noticed that Maihi does that, not Stacey. Okay.
They will indeed.
Ka aro tāua ki ngā te rākau nene, so we're on to the te rākau.
All we're going to need, 2 simple things, some down and also some decorative tape, or washi tape they call it.
Kua tike koe nei rākau te hanga. So we've already basically got the shape of our rākau, so what do we have to do?
All we have to do is decorate it. And that's where our lovely craft decorating tape comes in handy.
Heri me miniti noiho ki te whakaoti e tēnei mahi. That only took 5 minutes. Just go down to the shop and grab what you need. Me te hae, āhua mama tonu te hanga iwe nei poi. It was actually quite easy to do these as well. I mean, there's a few finicky bits, but we've got all the details on our website for that. E papa wai ari, taku nei mahi, e hine hoki maira. Hoki maira, ki whānau living. Do come back now, you hear?
Hoki mai.